Hi, my name is Matt, and this is an Audacity tutorial. Audacity is an audio file editing program that you can find for free online. It's Audacity. Search for it on Google or anywhere else, and it should take you to the site. It's free download, free installation, free to use. And once you get it downloaded and installed, if you open it up, it will come up to this screen. So what we're going to walk through today is how to import an audio file, how to edit it in this case to make it sound as though it were a Chipmunk performance of the song that we're going to be using, and then how to save and export that song for further use. To start with, we've got to import a song. We're going to go up here to File. We're going to hit Open, and we're going to select our song. I'm using B.O.B.'s I Got the Magic in Me for this example. You can either double click the song, you can click it and hit enter, or click it and come down here and click open. And it will import the song for you and give you a nice visualization. Now, just to show that we're using a normal song to begin with, we're going to come up here and hit play, and we'll get a preview of the song. I got some magic in me. Alright, so right there you can see we've got the original version to begin with. Now we've got it uploaded, now it's time to edit it. So first thing we're going to do is select the portion of the song we want to edit. For this example, we're going to want to change the whole song to sound like Chipmunks, so we're going to select the whole song by clicking and scrolling and selecting the whole visualization. Control A would also do this for you. And then we're going to edit it. We're going to come up here to Effect, scroll down where it says Change Pitch. That's going to be the option that allows us to make it sound like Chipmunks. And what we're looking at here is the frequency. The goal is to get this option right here, the number we're changing it to, somewhere around the 120 Hertz level. You can type it in there. You can type this in if you want to do the math to see what percent change would bring it to that. But I like to use this scroll option down here. It allows us to just get a quick approximation. We'll do 119.648. It doesn't have to be perfect. What we're looking for, something in the 120 range. And once you test it out, if that doesn't work, you can always come back to this same screen and change the pitch more if you need to make it sound more or less chipmunky. But once we find the value we want, we're going to hit OK and wait for it to apply that change to the song. And then we're going to test it by hitting the play button again to see if it has changed in a way we're looking for. Alright, so I think that sounds like the Chipmunks making the song. So we've got it changed just like we want it. Now all that's left is for us to export the song and save it so that we can use it however we want to. So we're going to start here. We're going to go to File again, and we're going to Export Audio. And it's going to bring up a standard save screen. Got this saved to the desktop. Put the file name whatever you want to. I'm going to add Chipmunk to the end of the file name so I know it's not the original version. You can put what type you want to put it as, MP3, general used file, all these options, and whichever option you choose is going to have options for that specific format down here at the bottom. The more you know and want to play around with those you can, but the default options are generally pretty good. But we're just going to leave it as an MP2 since that's what came up the first time. Once you've got the file name, the location, and the type that you want, you're going to hit Save, and it's going to give you the options here for metadata. This is if you pull up the song in a media player at some point, it'll have all this data for you. If you want to add it, you can. If not, don't worry about it. Hit OK once you're done with that, and it will export the file for you, saving it in the location you wanted it in. So you should be able to navigate to that location now, and it'll be there for your use in a media player like iTunes, or to put on your phone, to burn to a CD, whatever use you had intended this for. So that's a quick little Audacity tutorial. Hope it helped you out, what you were looking for.